Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a good day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been a turnaround, especially if you just go back and look at the chart for the last 72 hours for majority of the altcoins. There was a little bit of fear that was roaming around due to Powell's interest rate decision, and at the same time there was a little bit of panic selling that took over. But now, as we're getting closer to the decision, the US dollar and the crypto market is slowly making a recovery, but at this time you want to be getting into the token that you can hold for the long term and ensure that has a lot of utility. At the same time, it's able to make you insane amount of profit. Well, if you just look at meme coins currently, you can see that slowly they're making a recovery, but it's not quick enough. At the same time, are you going to be early into it if you decide to buy, let's say, penguins right now? That would be a little late. Well, let me show you a token which has a lot of utility and has a cuteness. The one I'm talking about is RabitiAI. Now, this token, just to give you an idea, currently is in a pre-sale stage and they have already raised just about $6.6 million. And one is right now worth about 2.1 cent, which is a very low fraction of a price for what this token can do. Now you might have the question, what is this token? Why is this so exciting? Well, first of all, it is an AI related token, and you guys know that's the fastest growing industry when it comes to crypto. It's already been posted and it's been talked about by so many influencers around the country and also just around the world. And at the same time, RabitiAI stands out by fusing functionality with flair. Its products don't just perform, they captivate. From seamless AI agent interaction to mystery pops and staking, every experience is designed to be engaging and unique and colorful characters. And that's what I'm trying to say. It's very exciting, and at the same time, keep in mind the AI agent that they're trying to put out is definitely going to have a lot more attention due to the fact that they're becoming such a big project and it's already backed by such a large team. At the same time, how are the products different? Well, the protocol reimagines the AI engagement, enabling real-time output with ease. Pops, it's pretty much a mystery box, transforms rewards into thrilling prizes up to 500,000 tokens. Now keep in mind, one token right now is worth about 2 cents, but in the future it will be worth a lot more. So this, let's just say this amount of reward can be very, very good. And at the end of the day, let me tell you, this token has a lot more to do with AI, and AI is exactly where the market is headed. Now, these are some of the partners that they have already partnered up with, including Cointelegraph, and also includes Binance Square. Now, the Economic and Financial Institute on the blockchain, so you guys can see it's pretty much the agent, the user, and the agent. So you will be able to have all your private keys, hot wallets, and also the blockchain, and everything will be secured. And at the same time, this agent can be used for a lot more than what you can imagine. Now, this is their tokenomics. The tokenomics is 35% goes to pre-sale, 15% to staking, 15% to airdrop, 10% to investors, 10% to marketing, and 5% to team, 10% going to liquidity. Now, what's even cooler is the agent. Now, within the RabitiAI ecosystem, Rabi agents are auto AI entity generated by generative AI and built on blockchain infrastructure. They can interact with the DeFi platform, analyze the real-time data, and make financial decisions, generate strategies or context such as investment ideas. And that's where it's going to be very different, because if this, AI is able to give you a very good idea in terms of what you should do with your investments, a lot of people are willing to pay a lot of money for this kind of AI, and at the same time this would be able to make a lot more profit on top of it. They've already conducted their audit, and for a pre-launch, let's just say their audit has come out extremely well, and once it's obviously launched properly, there will be a lot more happening in the future. At the same time, this is their roadmap, the funding and the open the public pre-sale. That's currently where we are, introducing the pops, launching the products, ecosystem expansion, and introducing the limited edition features. So you can see they understand the market. At the same time, they want to ensure that they're able to keep people interested in this project rather than it just being something so big and then just losing all the fumes, if that makes sense. And at the same time, the pops, you just simply connect your wallet and you guys will be getting It's pretty much like a mystery gift. Think of it like that. Now their Twitter also has a pretty good following, about 8,000 followers, and you can see that their tweets are reaching quite a large masses with about 4,000, and it's not taking long time to be able to get that much attention. I mean, in 4 hours, nearly 4,000 already gives you perspective. Now Rabiti has closed 15 million series in the A round, which are led by some of their supporters, and in the second round it's obviously about 6 million, and you know, it's already raised in the pre-sale. And let me tell you, just before the pre-sale even comes to an end, I do expect this to be able to be, you know, well over 20-30 million, and the AI sector just keeps growing. There's not much slowing it down. Now if you guys do want to buy it, the link will be in the description. It will just bring you to this website. Just click on connect, and then you guys can just connect your wallet, and then you can decide how much Ethereum you would like to convert into Rabiti. Once you do, you will be receiving it, and at the same time you will be receiving the booster because you're obviously in the pre-sale. At the end of the day, these tokens, this is not financial advice. Make sure you guys do your own research. It's your money, make your decision. This is just my opinion in terms of what I see and what kind of potential. Other than that, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, and I'll see you soon.